Hi everyone, welcome to Autocad 2021 tutorials by softcivil.ir. What I'm going to talk today is about missing file tab in Autocad 2021. The purpose of this presentation is to bring back the unknown or unwanted problem conjecting with the disappearing of this useful tab in Autocad. Let me start about some general information on using Files tab in AutoCAD. We use this tab to make differences between our separate projects and files. So that's very important for us, and definitely missing this tab is disgusting. Let me show you here in the main screen of AutoCAD that Files tab is missing, and we can see this tab, and also you can understand the name of your files. Right here we can see the files tab. The solution of this problem is to use files tab command to show back the missing tab. Also, you can use files tab close to disappear the tab again. So let me type here file tab, and after typing file tab, hit the enter key, and you can see the files tab show here again. And if you wanna uh, disappear the tab again, you can type file tab close, and here it is, and again file tab. You can see the files tab here on the main screen of AutoCAD. Let's summarize briefly what we had looked at. If you missed the Files tab in AutoCAD, don't worry and use File tab or File tab close for bringing it back. That's all I have to say about this problem. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask right below. I will be happy to answer your questions. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I can wait for making new videos for you. So please like this video and subscribe our channel for raising the quality of this channel. Thank you for watching.